The library mishap, day 8 in New York. It's Sunday, and Yuki wants to take the kids to the library to find English books for practice. Kenta groans. Books? I don't like reading. Aiko jumps up. I want a puppy book. At the library, Kenta accidentally knocks over a stack of books while reaching for a comic. He says, "Oh no." "Sorry." A librarian, Miss Clara, smiles. "It's okay. Let's clean up." Kenta learns clean up and helps, feeling shy but proud. Aiko finds a dog book but can't read the title. She asks Miss Clara, "What is?" "Puppy. Fun." Miss Clara says, "It's puppy fun time." A good book. Aiko is excited and learns fun time. Repeat after me. Sorry. Say it politely. Repeat after me. Fun time. Feel the joy. Hiroshi's moment, day 8 in New York. Hiroshi joins them at the library, holding a project plan. He confidently asks Ms. Clara, "Excuse me, do you have a book on advanced engineering designs?" Ms. Clara smiles. "Yes, follow me." She hands him a book. "This covers technical terms for your work." Hiroshi nods. "Thank you, I need this for my next meeting." He practices a new phrase, "I will present the design tomorrow," and feels ready. He turns to Yuki. "Let's practice this with Kenta and Aiko tonight." Yuki replies, "Great idea. I'll help them with the words. Repeat after me. I will present the design." Say it with confidence. Repeat after me. Great idea. Feel the excitement. Yuki's challenge, day 8 in New York. Yuki wants to join a library cooking class but struggles with the sign-up sheet. She says, "I'd cook class." A lady nearby helps. "You mean the cooking class? Write your name here." Yuki writes her name and learns sign up. During the class, she makes a simple sandwich and says, "I like cooking." The teacher claps. "Nice, Yuki." Yuki feels happy and tells the kids, "English makes cooking fun. Repeat after me. Sign up." Say it slowly. Repeat after me. I like cooking. Feel the happiness. Lesson of the day, day 8 in New York. Back home, the family shares their day. Kenta says, "I help clean up." I learn sorry. Aiko adds, "I read puppy book." Fun time. Hiroshi says, "I am an engineer. English helps work." Yuki smiles. "I sign up for class. I like cooking in English." They laugh about Kenta's book mishap and realize English helps them in different ways. Kenta thinks, maybe reading is fun. The family decides to visit the library every Sunday. Repeat after me. English helps me. Say it proudly. Repeat after me. Let's learn together. Feel the teamwork.